This is the suction cup mount from SnakeClamp products. This mounting base option can be used to attach your SnakeClamp to any smooth, dense, non-porous surface. We recommend this mounting base option for our 18-inch light-duty flexible gooseneck or smaller. It's ideal for supporting lightweight objects such as small cameras, webcams, and the mini iPad. The suction cup assembly is made by Ram Mount and features an extra strong hold. It's made of tough composite plastic and has a diameter of 3 3/8 inches. Press the suction cup onto a clean surface and simply turn the twist lock tabs to lock into place. To remove, release the twist lock tabs and pull up on the flap. We pair the suction cup with our sturdy 2-lobed amps adapter and 3/8 inch stainless steel screw for mating a SnakeClamp brand flexible gooseneck and rigid arms. Attach the amps adapter to the suction cup with the included Phillips head screws. This is the suction cup mount from SnakeClamp products, part number SCP-SC.